This is called the jars of bead experiment, and it can be found in the Newton's lab at 321 Science.
So many forces in this experiment. Here we have potential energy, and now we can see kinetic energy in motion.
Something will not start moving until a force makes it. The beads outside of the jar do not move until the force gravity pulls them down to the ground. That energy of them moving down gets transferred along the chain of the beads, so the beads in the jar get pulled along as well. Don't forget, they're being pulled by gravity at the same time.
Science in a bag. Science in a bag.
We hope you've enjoyed this video
Don't forget to like
and subscribe.